Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Market Thesis, and in this weekly brief video, and we are here to discuss the Fed interest rate. This is the only news event in this week which we are going to see as a very important event. The rate is going to be still same at 3.75%, and then we go to the news, and here are the news, major news. US-Iran peace deal sparks broad rally, risk on rally. So markets are going crazy upward, and crude oil is tumbles almost more than 5%, and Hormuz is going to open. Gold and Bitcoin rally is very strong. SpaceX IPO making investors really very rich. My personal opinion, if I was into your place, I will start booking profits slowly into this from this current price level. And there is one major deal is going to happen. In the Fox Corporation are going to acquire the Roku at $22 valuation. So there is a very high chance the Roku is going up. So last week it was 20% up, and Fed and Bank of England rate decision looms at the key events of this week also, rather than just the Fed decision. So let's come to the chart, and here is the chart. We are going to start with the SPY. SPY is almost 1.5% up, almost 1.23%, 1.25% up, and I think market is going to come down into this range 745 to 732 into this week. Market is going to close little lower, but there is very high chances if the market will sustain above this 745 level and market closes above 745, then there is very high chance we are going to see the new high into this week. So let's come to the QQQ. QQQ is also up almost more than 2%, and here in pre-market it's more than 2% up, and I'm expecting it a small correction after a major good opening. QQQ is going to close little downside, not in negative but almost 1% of uptrend. So there is a small amount of correction, more than 0.5% or around 0.75%, and we are going to get a closing around 732 or 730. But let's see if the market will close above 730. That means market is going to touch the very new high into this same week, and we can expect 2% of more further gains into this same week. BTC is also very bullish. There is very high chances it's going to touch the 68,000 level, and then we can expect a new major downtrend. So gold is also bullish, almost 3% up today, and it is hitting the next resistance level, which is at 4,370, 4,380. We have already discussed into this last Monday weekly briefing video. The gold is going to touch around 4,000 of level, and the low is exactly 4,023. So we were right, and here is the pullback rally, and we can expect it to continue further up towards 4,380 to 4,400 levels, and then we can expect a small pullback which can come to 4,225 or 4,250 levels. And the dollar index is also correcting from the major resistance level, so it is not going to be much very volatile, but it's normally going to go sideways. And the main important thing, I want to show you something into the VIX. VIX is going to see the very good uptrend, and markets may correct very hard. So if the market will start falling or crashing, I'm using the word crashing, then the VIX will spike up towards 27 or $30. So I think it is going to continue sideways until the market may hit a new all-time high, which is also into the bullish trend, and then the VIX will continue to go downtrend around $15, and then when it gets a start reversal from here, then it may spike toward this level 22-20 range in first time, and then if after the breakout of $22, $23, there will be the very fast spike towards $27 or $30. And the crude oil is bearish now. There is a good support level, and it is coming for the third time here. If it breaks down, there might be a trap, and I'm not expecting crude oil to correct very much from these levels because it is already into the downtrend, and this will definitely going to respect this support level. and IWM is very bullish, still very bullish. I'm expecting it to hit more than 300 or 302 levels into the same week. And when it comes to the SpaceX is going crazy. It was trading at $170 level in pre-market, but I would personally suggest you to book some profit into this, not complete all profit, but you can start booking 10% of profit every day into this. So it would be very good to play safe if you are already in profit. Protecting your profit is also a part of profit taking. So it is going up and it's more than $2.1 trillion market cap. So I'm not expecting it to go too much from here, honestly. So let's meet next week in the Monday weekly briefing. Here was the all thing which you should consider for this week. Thank you.